We have just finished the installation of lighting in VEKO debug, and I have decided to make this kind of tests. So for example, if we do not do electricity, we can leave. Safe to say that everything is connected properly. So I have these devices which can help us to do that according to the norm. So let's do it. We can preset the prescriptions of the project, so I have prepared something. So here is VEKO debug. I'm in hole 1, and I will do the test for line 2. I have programmed auto sequence for the testing with values according to the norm for the lightning devices. So here is the set of the tests: VEKO 3-phase light line with English comment. So let's do it. This test we'll do in field testing of permanently connected lightning luminaire linear system according to norm. This is not laboratory test. If ready, press start. Of course, I have put the probe to do the first sets. This text to explain what is going on, you can change, you can add pictures and so on. So first we will do the visual test. Wiring connection points are okay. I did the check. Cabling also covers, and markings are okay. So this was easy. Now we will do the ground bond test. So I have set here that to put the probe from this connector PS. It's already on the light line. So let's start. As you can see, you can put also the pictures. So this is what I have given here as well to connect the probe. So for 60 seconds with 10 amps we will measure the continuity of our system, and it shouldn't be higher than half ohm. Before we have to do the calibration of the system, but it's very simple step. Still in this phase the light line is off, but in further steps it will be turned on and measured as well. So 3 more seconds, the value is still the same, so we should pass. Now it gives us automatically to the another step, another test. Again, I have written here to put the probe, and we will turn everything on as well. So now we are testing touch leakage to be sure that there is no current on the body. So again, test will be done for 60 seconds. After 60 seconds we will have 5-second break, just to be sure. This device will change the polarity, and then again for 60 seconds. As you see, now 5 seconds, and again we are on. So now it beeps positively, otherwise it wouldn't pass us to the another step. So now we will put the probe away over here, and it goes here. Yeah, and let's do another test which we have to do, measuring the insulation. So for 60 seconds we are sending 500 volts to the system, and it should survive it. But we should be okay here. So if we are ready, we can start for a differential current test. If lighting do not pass, stop. Testing immediately and do the repairs. Hence voltage will be applied to the appliance. So in this specific test, we can have, normally in smaller devices you should have half of milliampere, but as we have very long light line, and actually it's three-phase device, it can be 5 or even 10 milliampere. So when you would have one short luminaire, it will be much lower than half of milliampere, but as the light line is so long, it's over almost 100 meters, and also the cabling is long, then we can go a little bit higher, but still for the human being 30 milliamps is safe, and in the industrial requirements to protect devices even 100 or 300 milliamps. Yes, now it asks us if the functions were okay, so we saw everything was fine. Now it will measure the power. So again, everything is on by our device, and we see we have a little bit higher than 2 kilowatts. And power factor, of course, which is important, is 0.97. And these values will be written in the report you can print, and it will be saved with the information of the device. So it seems we have passed everything, and we can save the measurement. So we can print a complete report on A4 paper, and I have also a label printer here connected to this device, so I can automatically print the ticket. And you see so in the future, when there is a problem, you can scan the QR code, and it tells you all the information what we just measured, and you see the test passed. Line 1 can be connected by electricity, and it was tested today, 24th of April. So I will put the sticker on, and now we can go home. So it was a little bit longer, but thank you. Have a nice day.